Hey guys, my name's Alpha and welcome to the Silver Gold Saver channel. Today I wanted to share my perspective on the debate between gold and Bitcoin. I've seen a lot of videos lately saying that Bitcoin is the new gold and Bitcoin is better than gold. It's going to replace gold. And so I just wanted to share some perspective on that. And for full disclosure, I have both. I own both gold and Bitcoin. So first is the idea of supply. A lot of people say that there's only 21 million Bitcoins available to be mined ever. What they're not saying is that there's 100 million Satoshis for every one Bitcoin. So if you really wanted to condense it to the smallest measurement of Bitcoin, there's really 2.1 quadrillion Satoshis available supply. Now compare that with gold's total supply. There's approximately 200,000 metric tons of gold ever mined in history. That's an estimate, obviously. And approximately 50,000 metric tons available to be mined using present technology. That equates to approximately 8 million troy ounces. And if you wanted to condense it to the smallest measurement of gold, which is a grain, there's 480 grains in 1 troy ounce. That means there's 3.9 trillion grains of gold available in history and available to be mined based on present technology. So compare 2.1 quadrillion Satoshis with 3.9 trillion grains. That's an order of magnitude less. So gold is actually more scarce and more rare than Bitcoin, if you think about it from that perspective. The second and most important idea that I wanted to share and perspective that I wanted to share is the concept of durability. Gold has been around for over 5,000 years and has been valued for over 5,000 years. Bitcoin is 11 years old. Again, that is more than an order of magnitude younger. Think about all the best-in-class technology that you've ever thought when you were younger, and think about how many of those best-in-class technologies are obsolete or have been beaten today. Think about how old gold is compared to the United States. The United States is less than 300 years old. No country and no technology has been more durable and has been more valued than gold over the millennia. And Bitcoin is just a little over a decade old. Now there's a concept that there's a lot of people that say Bitcoin is the fastest horse in the race. I think that cannot be debated. But it's also much smaller. And anything in physics and in finance that is smaller tends to move faster in both directions, right? And I just also want to remind you that the brightest candle burns out the fastest. The brightest light in the night sky is a supernova. So again, I'm not trying to dissuade anyone from buying Bitcoin or gold. I have both and I will continue to invest in both. I just wanted to share some perspective so that you can think of it from a long-term point of view, and that when you invest with an informed decision. And I just think that people that say Bitcoin is better than gold, they need to have that perspective as well. Don't be too don't have too much hubris that you think that all of a sudden gold is going to be replaced by Bitcoin, because maybe it will, maybe it won't. Thanks, guys.